Today on Pop-Off's Horsepower Talk, we're going to build our own setup to CC a cylinder head combustion chamber. It's pretty easy. All required is an old CD case, a syringe. This is a 20 milliliter, which is 20 cc's, and some grease to seal the case. First thing we're going to do is going to open it up. We're just going to use this clear part. We're going to make sure the flat side is down. I'm just going to put a little test fit on here, see where we need to drill our hole. We're going to put it right about in the middle. We got plenty of room to move around, so that looks good right there. I'm going to try about a 1/4 inch hole right there, and we'll see how that goes. This is actually a 3/16. We'll see how that goes. I got the drill on slow. It's very thin plastic, so we're not going to drill very fast. Oh, that worked out okay. We're going to swap to a 1/4 inch bit. Going to take a thin layer of grease right around the combustion chamber. Just to seal. I'm just going to be using water for this. You want to make sure your head surface is relatively flat. You have a little bit of leeway with the grease. Make sure your spark plug is in. And a tip on drilling this, don't drill a pilot hole, just drill whatever size you want, because when I want the bigger hole, it cracked. I think it'll be okay. I'm going to offset this a little bit to the intake side. And we're just going to push down. I moved the head around, got the air pocket removed. I was right about 58.5, 59 cc's. That's pretty close to what they're supposed to be. Like I said, this is not going to be an exact 100% high performance solution, but if you need a quick check of your cc's, this will do.